Welcome to our Thursday space. I have thought of the Thursday space for a long time. What should I talk about? What are the matters that are on everyone's mind? So I decided today that the matter that I will be exploring with you, talking about, will be the difference between a gift and a will. So the will and probate, the latest publication that we had with LexisNexis, it was mainly a set of questions on what literally is the difference between a will and a gift. Because wills have been on everyone's minds. But so the idea here is that the will itself will have to be registered during the life of the testator for the beneficiaries to be able to enforce it upon the death of the testator. But the gift is different. The gift, as per the law, Civil Transactions Law of the UAE, upon the latest amendment, 30th 2020, has actually set terms, provisions for this gift, which is an inter vivus transaction, that it has to happen during the life of the donor, that what we call with a gift. So when we talk about a will and a gift, it seems to raise some confusion among many of the clients who have come to see us. And this is the perfect time for me to clear that confusion. The will for a Muslim is different from the will of a non-Muslim. You have to bear in mind, many of the Muslims are not necessarily Arabs, and they tend to get the word will confused as far as they're concerned. So please bear in mind, as a Muslim, you will be subject to the same wills, rules that apply to Muslims, which is within the third and should not be for an heir. Now, what about the gift? The gift is regulated. The gift is regulated under the Civil Transactions Law of the UAE as amended by Decree 30 of 2020. Now, I'm glad to share with you that I will be speaking on wills and succession probate talk with the DRC Academy next week. And this is mainly for the non-Muslim expats who would be able to know what options of wills they have in the country, which is one of them is definitely the DRC will. Thank you for joining me for this Thursday space, and I hope to see you next Thursday for a next space and a next conversation. Have a lovely weekend.